Welcome friends to my channel Learning Solution. In the previous video we have created this bank entry.aspx page. In this video we will be creating this branch entry.aspx page. So let's double click on this branch entry.aspx and give some title for this page. So for this I will giving the title as new branch entry. And inside this third content placeholder, that is the main part, inside first of all we will include a center tag, and here in database if you will see this your syllabus, then it is saying that the table branch should have branch ID, bank ID and the branch name. So this branch ID is generating automatically from the database, so we need to pass this bank ID and the branch name from the customer. So we will design only these two components only. So first of all take a label and I will change its text to bank name, select bank name. And here I will take a drop down list. So when the user open this page, they will be having the list of the banks which are available. And after that I will take a label that I will tell you why I am taking this label. Later I will explain you this. And I don't want its text, so I will remove it. And after this I will include a line break tag, that is BR tag. After this I will take one more label and I will change its text to enter branch name. And after this I will take a text box we have taken this inside this drop down. I don't want it inside this drop down, I want it outside the drop down list, so I will place it here. When I don't want this text box or label also inside this drop down list. Yeah, now it's fine. So we have taken a label, we have taken a drop down list, and we have taken again a label which is label 2. I will change its ID to 2 and this one ID to 3. Yeah. Now after this enter branch name, we need to take a text box. So let's drag and drop, it would be better. And after this I will include a line break tag again. And now we will take a button for submitting it to the database, and I will change its text to submit. Now switch to the design view. See, this is coming, select bank name, enter branch name and the submit button. So now what we will do, when this page gets loaded, then whatever the bank is available in our database, that should be displayed in this text box. So first of all we will do the coding for that. So I will double click on this submit button only, and here we will include the two namespaces, that is using system dot data dot OLEDB, and after that using system dot configuration. After this we will create the connection instance, so we will write OLEDB connection con is equal to new OLEDB connection of. You need to just copy and paste this same from the bank entry only, because this is the same. You just need to copy this from here. Now we will write we will create a function and we will call that function in page load method. So we will write public void get bank name, and what we will do, first of all open the connection, and after that create a OLEDB command object. That again we need to do the same, so we will just copy from the bank entry. I want till here I want, so I will take it from here. We have created the command object, we have connected this command object with the connection, and here what I will write, the query will be select asterisk from table bank. Now we will take a data reader, so we will write OLEDB data reader, and we will give some name for this data reader object. I will give it as a reader is equal to cmd dot execute reader. Now what we will do, I will write a code for reading the data. So I will write while reader dot read. What I want to fill that drop down list with the values. So I will write drop down list 1 dot items dot add reader with what I want to fill. I want bank name only, so I will write in double quote, I will write bank name. Dot toString, and at last we need to close the connection, so we will write con dot close. Now we will execute and check that it is working or not. Before executing, we need to call this method in page load function. So I will write get bank name, and we will execute it. By default bank name is bank entry is opening, so you can see SBI, PNB, ICICI, SBI. These are the bank names which I have included in the database. So all of them are coming. Now what I want in the database, I need to store the bank ID and the branch name. So to get the bank ID of the particular bank, we have taken a label which is not visible because the text we have deleted. So here if it is SBI, then it's the whatever the bank ID of this SBI, that should come. So for that now we will code. So here we will create a new method for getting the bank ID. We will write public void get bank ID and we need to do the same code. Just copy these codes and paste it here. Only what we need to change here is, here we want bank ID, and also I want this bank ID in level that we have taken there. So I will write here level 2 dot text is equal to reader of bank ID dot to string. Now we will call this. First of all, I will call this in this page load method, and after that I will tell you we need to call it once again. First of all, try to execute it and check it. And one more thing, here in this bank entry, here we have written customer entry, that is for the bank entry, so we will change it to new bank entry only. Now we will try to execute it. We will move to the branch entry. See, the code for SBI is 6, so 6 is coming. But when we will be changing this to PNB, ICICI, anything, then it is not changing because we have not written this code for drop down list change event. So we need to include it there. We only need to call this method here. So we will write get bank ID. And sorry, we have written we have done some mistake here in the query. Here what I want the bank ID of the particular bank. So here I will write select a strict from table bank where bank name is equal to, in single quote, double quote and plus plus, we will write drop down list 1 dot text. Now we will check it. Yeah, for SBI it is 3. Again, now also it is not working. So actually the event is not firing. So for that we need to change from the property of this drop down list. So branch entry, and from here go to its property, and one method is there is auto post back. It is false, so you need to make it true. Now try to execute it. For SBI it is 3, for PN with C it is refreshing, now it is 4, and one more problem is arising, that is this SBI PN with the bank name is repeating, so we need to stop this. So for that what we need to do, we need to write a small code inside this page load event. What is that code? We will write if is not post back, only that disconnect a statement is sufficient. If not is post back, then include this. Now try to execute it. See, your problem has been gone. So it's working fine. Now what I want to take the branch name from the user and I want to store it in the database. So for that we will now code. So first of all switch to the design view only, and I want to code for this submit button only now. So just double click on this. And here we will write again. We will just copy this code from this bank entry form and we will paste it in the branch entry. And here we will write insert into table branch. What I need to insert? I want to insert bank ID and the branch name. And the values are, first value is label, that is label2 dot text, and the second value is the text box 1 dot text. And message, we will also change the message, that is branch created. Now I don't want to show this label to the user, so I will hide this. I will set its visibility to false in the page load method only. So I will write label2 dot visible is equal to false. Now we will execute and check it. Suppose I want to create a branch for SBI and the branch I want it to be Bangalore, and I will click on submit. See, the branch is created. If you want to change it to ICICI, and I also want it's branched in Bangalore, so branch. So this form is working fine and we have successfully coded this and we have also designed this. So in the next video we will do our customer entry. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.